Let me see your mouth. Open your mouth. You knocked the blood out of your head.
I think my blood rushed to my mouth and just.
He's spitting up blood.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
What? I'm dizzy.
What hit?
This part of my head.
What'd you hit?
My temple. I hit your dang on my head.
Come here. I like buzzing my head over that little shelf
I'm
thing.
busting my head on your head. Your head's harder than that.
I think I got a cushion. I think like this part of my head's like dented in.
Let me feel.
Part of my head.
Where's that? Right here?
This
Does
part
it
of
feel
my
dented
head's
in?
like this.
Yeah, if I got blood in my
Come
mouth.
here.
I'm good.
Come here, Pootie. I
Pootie.
got my mouth busted open and. Because I can't spit in the floor.
It's never stopped you before. Not spitting up anymore.
Look at that.